Most of you are going to blow the Apex 300K evaluation before the first week's even over. I know that's not what you want to hear. You want to hear that this account's your ticket to freedom. You want to hear that because it's a 300K account, you finally have the room to breathe. That's the biggest lie in the funding industry. The conventional wisdom says that more capital equals more opportunity. Traders think that a bigger account means they can take bigger hits and stay in the game longer. They think the 300K evaluation's easier than the 50K because the profit target feels reachable with just a couple of big wins. They're dead wrong. Let me tell you about a trader named Marcus. Marcus was smart. He'd been trading demo for a year. He saw the Apex sale and went straight for the 300K account. He told himself, if I just catch one good NQ runner with 10 contracts, I'm funded. On day 2, he saw a breakout. He loaded up. He was up $4,000 in 3 minutes. His heart was pounding. He was already spending the profit in his head. Then, the market dipped. Because he was trading too large for his skill level, that small dip wiped out his daily limit. He didn't just lose the trade, he lost his confidence. By Friday, Marcus blown 300K accounts trying to make it back. He fell for the mirage. He thought he was trading a 300K account. He wasn't. Be honest with yourself. Are you buying the 300K account because you've mastered your strategy, or because you're tired of being broke and you're looking for a lottery ticket? Here's the core truth that Apex won't tell you, but I will. You aren't trading a 300K account. You're trading a $7,500 account. That's it. The 300K is a ghost. It's a marketing number. The only number that matters is the distance between your current balance and that trailing drawdown. When you see 300K on your dashboard, your brain enters a state of false security. You think you've a massive cushion, but that trailing drawdown's a leash, and every time you've an unrealized profit that you don't take, that leash gets tighter. This is where your biology betrays you. When you see a big account balance, your brain releases dopamine. It's the same chemical hit you get from a slot machine. This dopamine shuts down your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that handles risk management and logic. Suddenly, you aren't a 7-figure trader. You're a caveman reacting to shiny objects. You stop seeing charts. You only see life-changing money. Your ego disguises itself as intuition. You tell yourself you feel a big move coming, but intuition without an objective process is just gambling in a suit. I manage 2,100K accounts. Do you know how I stay funded? I don't look at the total balance. I look at the risk. If I treated my accounts like a 300K lottery ticket, I'd be out of business in 48 hours. If you can't pass a 50K evaluation with discipline, what makes you think adding more zeros to the balance is going to fix your lack of rules? If you want to pass this evaluation and actually stay funded, you have to kill the amateur inside you. Here are the 3 adjustments I use to keep my 20 accounts active. Number 1, the small account filter. Stop trading like you've 300K. Trade that evaluation as if it only has $5,000 in it. This means you don't load up on 20 contracts because you can. You trade 1 or 2. You earn the right to size up only after you've built a cushion. The goal's not to pass in one day. The goal's to pass without breaking your nervous system. Number 2, the daily cap. Most traders blow their Apex accounts because they don't know when to walk away. Set a 1 and done or 2 and done rule. If you hit your profit target for the day, shut the platform down. Overtrading's a slow poison. The longer you sit in front of that screen, the more likely you're to let your ego take the wheel. Number 3, ghost the balance. Stop looking at your P&L in dollars. Switch your chart to ticks or points. When you see dollar signs, you see your rent, your car payment, or your ego. When you see points, you see the game. Professionals play the game. Amateurs chase the money. True confidence doesn't come from a 300K account. It comes from a repeatable process that you follow even when you're bored. The Apex evaluation's a test of your patience, not your prediction skills. They're waiting for you to get greedy. They're betting that you'll lose your cool. Don't give them the satisfaction. Pass the test by being the most boring person in the room. Now get back to the process. Get back to work.